Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, LiterallyG. Thank you so much for joining me in for another video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please give my channel a subscribe. That would really help my channel out. I do fashion, beauty, home decor, and motivational video on this channel. Okay, so in this video, Glamoriser kindly sent me an autocurler. Yes, I said autocurler. I love the brand. I've got their Bluetooth straightener. I've been using it for a couple of years. Even Bobby uses it, my husband, and he uses it on his mustache. Don't ask me. I'm not even lying. I wish I was joking about that part. I'm not joking. He actually uses the straightener on his mustache. Okay, before we deviate, let's get to the autocurler. So yes, so I've created this look using the autocurler, and I'm going to walk you through the steps and let you know what I like about the curler and what are the pros and cons and things like that. And now I've done a voiceover because I just thought it was easier to walk you through because I was using it for the very first time. And yeah, so let's go to the video and see what I think.
So at this point, I've let my hair air dried. I've added some serum in it, and now I'm about to spray my hair with a whole spray. Now, some people like to do this step after they curl their hair, but I'm going to do it before. It's just what works for me. So I'm going to go ahead and spray all over my hair. Okay, now I'm ready to curl my hair. I'm going to put it up and set the temperature for 180. And these are the buttons where you can set the temperature up and down. And these are the buttons that you use to curl your hair inwards or outwards. I'm about to show you how. So take a section of your hair and ensure that part is towards your face and this one is away from your face. You insert a piece of hair in between that and let it go in and just wait for the beep, and voila, there you have your curls. And I'm going to go ahead and do my hair curly using the same process over and over and over, and we're going to have a full set of luscious curls.
Lo dejé todo por tener solo a esa mujer tan bobo. Me rompió el corazón y yo la dejé. Y yo me enamoré. Perdón por enamorarme. No lo quería hacer. Dios, esa mujer te rompió en partes. Perdón mi corazón, todo fue mi error. Perdón por enamorarme. No lo quería hacer. Dios, esa mujer te rompió en partes. Perdón mi corazón, todo fue mi error.
Okay, so I'm absolutely loving the curls, and normally I would comb my hair through and even pin it there, but now because we're doing a shoot tomorrow morning, I'm gonna leave the curls tight so tomorrow morning it loosens up and get the curl that I really want to have.
Okay, now before I end the video, let me talk about the key features of this straightener. Number one, you could use the straightener worldwide because it has voltage that's fitted for all countries. Number two, so it has a diamond barrel that has ceramic coating, so it leaves your hair, without damaging your hair, it leaves it very shiny. And the maximum temperature, I believe, is about 210. I curled my hair at 180, so you could take it up to 210 if your hair is thicker, whatever have you. So it has that capability. You know, when you're leaving, okay, I think this is most of us, when we are straightening our hair and curling our hair and we leave the house and we wonder if we have turned the straightener or the curler off. I usually make Bobby drive back just so I can check so we don't burn the house down. So this one has an auto safety that after 60 minutes it turns itself off. I think every curler and straightener and any hair tool should have that because my ass forgets all the time. So that feature helps for peace of mind and safety. What else? Another thing that I was mentioning while I was doing my curl, for example, you know when you're curling your hair, you don't know if you want to go outwards or inwards. So this one has that option. All you have to do is hold and press that, and it does it outwards, inwards. So kind of massive feature. And the price of this curler is only $69. I mean, most of the curlers that are out there, they're probably over 100 if they're good quality, but this one I think is a bargain. And if you're in the market for it, give it a try, guys. Okay, the one thing that I think will be an issue, it's not an issue for me, it might be an issue for you, it's just the size of the curler. As they say, size matter. But for me, it's fine because I'm carrying 100 suitcases anyway, so another piece of equipment will not make a difference. For me, it's okay. It might be an issue for you, but okay, guys, so that's it for me. I really do like the curler. If you're in the market for a good curler, this curler is only $69.99. You cannot go wrong. Okay, so that's it for this video. Give this video a like, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, guys.